Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into eTrade. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's begin. In order to log into eTrade, click open a web browser first. Soon after you're done, go to the URL box at the top and type in eTrade.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of eTrade soon after you do that. In order to log into your account, go and click on the log on button at the upper right, but if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to open an account in order to log in. Go to open an account at the upper right corner and sign up first by following the instructions. Go to the log on button at the upper right from your home page. Now, you'll need to enter your user ID and your password in order to log in. In the log on boxes, enter your user ID first. Now, move on to the next field and type in a password for your account. Once you do so, if you want the site to remember your user ID, you can click on this box. But if you are using a public device or a shared device, do not check this box for your security. If you'd like to use the security code, click on this box and enter your security code in the text field. From the drop-down, select your account type from where you'd like to log into your account. In case you've forgotten your user ID and your password, click on the user ID or the password link and follow the instructions to either look for your user ID or to reset your password to a new one. After you're done entering all the credentials correct, click on Log On and you'll be logged into eTrade in no time. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.